Welcome to my program. Let's learn Twi with Opoku. This is the third episode in the series of our lesson on two-letter vocabularies. In this edition, we're going to take letter F and then combine it or pair it with the vowels to see what vocabularies that we can learn or get out of it. Doing so, that is taking F and then pairing it with the Twi vowels, we'll get the following words. And they are fa, fe, fe, fo, and then fo. So we're going to take them one after the other and then find out what each of them means. So stay tuned. Fa. Fa. What does that mean? Fa simple means to take. To take. So if you need something and you want me to pick it for you, you can tell me fa mami. Fa mami. That is, pick it for me. And as we have already learned, if you want to be polite, then you can say me pawocho fa mami. Me pawocho fa mami. That is when you want to be polite. And so we have fa to mean to take. And the example is fa mami. That is, take it for me or even give it to me. Fa mami. We'll go to the next vocabulary. And that is fe. 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 Fe has two meanings or even more, but we'll take only two. To say fe means to kiss or to vomit. I'm sorry, but we are learning. Yeah, fe means to kiss. And so most often than not, when two people get married, the marriage officiator may tell them, you may kiss the bride. And so in this case, kiss him or kiss her. How do we say that in Twi? We say fe nano. Fe nano. So fe means to kiss. And then it can also mean to vomit, unfortunately. And so if a child is vomiting, I can say the child is vomiting. That is, abofra no refi. Abofra no refi, meaning the child is vomiting. And please note the prefix re. Re. Re puts the verb in a present continuous tense. Yes, so it tells you that the action is ongoing. Refi. That is, the child is vomiting. So when you hear any Twi word having a prefix of re, that tells you that it is an ongoing act. That is present continuous tense. And now we go to the third vocabulary, and that is fe. Fe is different from fe. That one sounds e, but this sounds e. Fe. Fe. When we say fe, it could mean beautiful. When we want to say something is beautiful, then we say eye fe. Eye fe. And sometimes it is shortened to say efe. Efe. But when we are writing, then we say eye fe, meaning it is beautiful. And at times we can elongate the fe and say fe fe fe. Fe fe fe. And that means very beautiful. Fe fe fe. So when we say bring a pronoun and then say fe, that means that particular pronoun that we are talking about is beautiful. For example, eye fe. Then it means it is beautiful. The air that you see as a preface to ye is a pronoun for eno. So in actual sense, it is eno ye fe. However, it is somehow contracted, and then no is eliminated, and then air is written together with ye, which is now is. It is written together. So we say a ye fe. That means it is beautiful. I've told you already that in tree, most often than not, the pronoun and the verb are written together. And that is what we see in this case. Eno, which is it, is written together with ye, which is a verb, is. So we're getting a ye fe. It is beautiful. So that is for fe. Now we go on to the next meaning of fe. When something is pressed against you, we also say fe. For example, if unfortunately your finger is found in between a door and a frame, and accidentally the door is closed, pressing your finger, we say epono no afewo. Or if it's someone else, we can say epono no afeno. So fe. We now go to the fourth vocabulary, fo. When we say something is fo, it means it is cheap. To say something is cheap in tree, we mention the name of that thing and then we add fo to it. For example, or to say that something is cheap, then we say a ye fo. The air that precedes ye is eno, which is it. Eno, and it's it. And they are written together. The eno and then ye, which is the verb, is, are written together. So we get a ye fo. Eno ye fo now becomes a ye fo. In that case, eno loses the no, the no, and then it becomes a, and then we add the ye, which is to it. So it becomes a ye fo. It is cheap. Now we go to the last vocabulary, and that is for. For means to wet or to get wet. For instance, as I'm making this video, it's somehow drizzling. So if the wind blows the rain to this side and my attire is wet, or my attire gets wet, I can say matadie afo. Matadie afo. That means my attire is wet. We have now gotten another 5 more vocabularies to add to what we already have together. We have already learned 10. So adding this 5 makes it 15. And so we have 15. That means we have 35 more to finish. So keep on following this series of lessons and you'll be able to add up more to your vocabularies. Like I always say, keep on learning Chi with Opoku. Thank you.